Welcome to Cooking for Bubs. Today we're going to make some homemade pizza, homemade marinara, and a delicious and amazing salad. And for our marinara sauce, you need 28 ounces of peeled tomatoes, some good olive oil. I got this awesome olive oil at Whole Foods. Some oregano, and then some crushed red pepper. I have 4 garlic cloves and some kosher salt. So let's start off by dicing our garlic really nice and finely. So I'm gonna warm up my olive oil just right before I add in my garlic, oregano, and red pepper to saute it for a few seconds. Once we've added in our peeled tomatoes, give it some salt. And I'm going to use my OXO potato masher to crush my tomatoes. I'm going to give this a really nice stir and use my OXO splatter screen. I'm going to lower the heat and let this reduce for about 25 to 30 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to dice up my toppings. I have some black olives, some fresh jalapenos. In hindsight, I put way too much cornmeal on this cookie sheet, but you do need cornmeal to help keep your pizza from not sticking once it's done. Our pizza sauce is nice and thick. It's at the perfect consistency and it is ready for our pizza dough. I've got some shredded mozzarella cheese and put that right up on there. I've got some pepperoni. And Bubs loves his jalapenos. We both love us some good old black olives. Preheat your oven to 550. Bake for 10 minutes and rotate your pizza at 5 minutes. We're going to use romaine lettuce for the base of our salad, some sliced up hearts of palm, artichoke hearts, whole black olives, garbanzo beans, and top it off with some delicious feta. We're ready to slice up our pizza, top with some fresh Parmesan cheese. Thank you so much for watching my first episode of Cooking for Bubs. If you really like this video, like and subscribe.